Today, Governor Greg Abbott plans to host a roundtable discussion with state and local law enforcement over the ongoing effort to fight the national fentanyl crisis. KVUE's Natalie Haddad joins us now in studio with the details. And Natalie, Governor Abbott, isn't shying away from who he believes is at fault for this fentanyl problem, right?
Right, not shying away whatsoever. So, that's right. Governor Greg Abbott says the national fentanyl crisis is fueled by President Joe Biden's open border policies, prompting him to direct several state agencies to boost efforts in the fight to keep the deadly drug from crossing the border here in Texas. And that's going to be the topic of today's roundtable discussion. Governor Abbott is directing 9 state agencies total to ramp up its fentanyl fighting efforts impacting communities across Texas. He claims the synthetic opioid is being trafficked into the state by Mexican cartels, disguising the pills to look like prescription drugs and even candy to target children. Now, Governor Abbott is also directing state agencies to raise awareness of the full dangers of fentanyl by way of public service announcements, posting flyers, and by training staff to provide educational opportunities to people agencies serve. Now, as the Texas legislature preps for its next session in 2023, Governor Abbott wants the agencies to have initiatives prepared that will enhance the state's ability to stop fentanyl from crossing our border. He wants to provide emergency overdose treatments and expand substance abuse treatment programs. Now, just as a reminder for everyone, fentanyl, a synthetic opioid, is up to 100 times stronger than other opioids like morphine. And the CDC says it's a major contributor to overdoses in the U.S. And there has been an 89% increase in fentanyl-related deaths in Texas in 2021 compared to 2020. And bringing that closer to home, in Travis County, Austin leaders declared a public health crisis over drug overdoses back in June. And Yvonne, you'll probably remember this. It's been big news here in Travis County. Drug toxicity is the #1 cause of death, and a lot of that has to do with fentanyl.
Yes, and something has to be done, and just the fact that we're seeing so many other deaths, like in Hayes CISD, some of those students are 15, 17. It's just devastating.
Oh, definitely, and now that rainbow fentanyl is kind of in the mix of things, there's definitely more reason to be concerned and proactive about solving this issue, because as it's been put in Governor Greg Abbott's letter to the state agencies, those rainbow fentanyl, they look like candy, and children, they love candy.
Oh, I've had the talk with my kids, and they're very young, but I still had the talk with them.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah,
I think a lot of parents are going to have to.
Of course. Thank you so much, Natalie. Well,